Welcome to XYZ Corporation. What is your name and what time is your interview?
Good morning, I'm John Morris and I'm scheduled at 10 a.m.
I'm Alea. I have a appointment at the same time. Okay, please sit here and wait.
Mag-a-apply ka po ako at 10 a.m. Pero huwag niyo kakalimutan. First impression ka. Kaya, pakita niyo yung best impression. Best
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for coming. I have a few questions for you so we can get to know you better.
Okay po, thank you so much.
Alright, let's talk one by one. Follow me.
Hello, good morning. Welcome to XYZ Corporation.
Good morning, thank you.
We are all excited to meet you. Good luck sa interview.
Thank you, I hope to see you again.
Punta na po kayo doon.
Hi, good morning. Are you the one who's going to be interviewed?
Yes, sir.
This is our workplace and I would like to observe your interaction with colleagues. Remember, interaction and communication are important in work.
How's your interview?
It seems okay. People here are nice.
The atmosphere is very good and nakaka-stress yung interview nila and friendly naman yung mga staff.
Thank you.
Ang ganda magtrabaho dito, sana makuha tayo.
Yes, tapos ang babait pa nila tapos may natututunan tayong business etiquette.
True, we just need to be polite and confident in ours.
Yes.
Welcome to your first day at XYZ Corporation. Before you begin, I would like to introduce you to team leaders and give you a brief introduction or overview of what will you be doing. Come on, follow me.
I feel like I'm drowning in these papers. It seems overwhelming and I cannot seem to find a way out.
Yun, and also, returning na yan, calling the parcels, and reports the national issuance, iba yung sinasal yan. And lalo na sa may management for Manila, those ones actually ensure that all parcels are collected according to rules. Nice. So after that, yung medical science of part that is
Pagod na ako. Nakakasawa na. Nakakapagod na. Alam mo ba, nakaka-stress sa department namin. Ang daming ginagawa. Super daming paper.
Kahit nga sa akin eh, nahihirapan na rin ako sa mga ginagawa. Buti nga breakdown na natin eh.
Kaya nga eh. Ay, nakikita mo ba si Alea?
Hindi ko din pinakita yun ang buwan na eh.
Kaya nga. Tapos ano, bakit nag-apply pa siya tapos hindi naman pala siya pumapasok?
Kamusta kaya siya?
Kaya nga. Tara, punta
Wala,
tayo
pahinga tayo
sa
sa college. Yan na ba yun?
Ay, oo nga no.
Tara, punta natin.
Tara na.
Tara.
Bakit ngayon ka lang?
Matagal na namin. Hindi natin pumasok.
Oo, tapos ang dami pang ginagawa ng mga papers.
Kaya, kamusta ka?
namamatay daw. Dito lang din nagtatrabaho sa kumpanya natin. What if si Alea yun? Hello, pero tahimik pa naman daw. Background naman kayo, hindi naman siguro si Alea yun. Siguro. Tara lang, selfie tayo. Wait, tara na, anong oras na? Tara lang. Anong sinasabi nila? Kasama lang namin yung Morris kanina si Alea. Kapunta na nga doon. Oh, ba't nandito ka na?
Eh, bakit lang natin pupunta na sana kita?
O tara, punta na natin si Alea. Hoy, girl! Hoy, girl!
Hindi ba sa baba? Ayan, tapos video mo kami.
I feel like I'm drowning in these papers. It seems overwhelming and I cannot seem to find a way out. Good na ako. Nakakasawa na. Nakakapagod na.